Let's make a deconstructed denim jacket into a crocheted wonderful masterpiece. I got this idea from seeing a few different versions of this on Pinterest that are commercially available, like this one from Farm Rio, and it's a little bit of a bummer because they're being sold for really not a high enough price to justify the amount of hours that goes into crocheting something. So I thought, hey, let's upcycle and make something completely our own by hand and not support gross fast fashion labor. So here I am with my thrifted denim jacket. You saw a photo of me wearing it before the chopping, and now I'm chopping out the panels that I'm going to crochet later, and it makes a lovely little hat as well. I actually, after this video, ended up cutting out a couple more panels than you will see at the very end here, all cut out. I decided that I wanted to have as much crochet as possible. So I'm going to be putting some granny squares in, and I've already planned out a couple of the panels that are going close to the buttons. Are going to have kind of a funky checker pattern. I'm going to be using my sock yarn scraps from other projects. This is ultra upcycling, reusing and giving new life to lots of different materials and supplies. Cutting out the panels, I left the seams that were between them intact so that when I sew the crocheted portions in, I'll have something to sew to. So here I was finished, or so I thought. I ended up cutting out the panels closest to the buttons as well after I finished filming this. I'm going to crochet all those little insets as well as the sleeves. If you have ideas for what I should do with the sleeves, leave a comment. I would love to know your thoughts because right now I'm kind of drawing a blank. We're going to see how the inspiration takes me. But I am so excited for this project. It's just jazzing me up, and I'm hoping that later this evening I'm going to be doing some stitching on the first panel. Check it out. I'll be sharing updates on my brand new Patreon account, which you can find in the link below. Hope to see you there. Until next time, stay crafty.